Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, and I'm eating the leftovers for the fruity chicken salad. We're doing a lunch mukbang, and we're also live. So y'all come on and join us. What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, and I had made yesterday a chicken salad, a fruity chicken salad. So I'm getting ready to get on live, but I figured I might as well grab me something to eat because I haven't eaten anything all day, of course. And I got my chicken salad right here, if y'all want to see. And I've already started on this. You see it's right here? Ooh, yeah. Y'all see that? That is the fruity chicken salad. The fruity chicken salad. The fruity chicken salad. Yeah. Take my glasses off and then do it again. Watch this. Watch this. A fruity chicken salad. A fruity chicken salad. So good, yeah. Yeah, so this we decided to do it on a little soft tortilla shell. But anyway, you guys, I've already blessed my food, but I'm gonna bless it again. I'm blessed it again. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Let it be nourishment for my body. In Christ Jesus, I do pray. Amen. Amen, amen. So if you guys grab your plate, grab your spoon, grab your fork, grab your, what do you want to grab? Whatever you want to grab it. And we're gonna get this party going. Let me go ahead and sign in. I go on every day at 4:00 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we do meet and greet. So I try and go on a little bit earlier because sometimes this computer wanna reboot. Meet and greet. Excuse me. Love is what love does.
What's up? This shit, yeah, shit. To big old parfait.
Okay, I think I got everything I needed to put on there. What does that say? That is public.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Then, no, it's not made for kids. Even though it is, technically, there's nothing in here that's, detrimental, but we gonna, B-Love said, put not made for kids, so that's what we gonna put. Not made for kids, because we trying to get monetized.
Trying to get what?
Oh. Alright, let's see if I like that picture. Oh, no. I'm gonna take another picture, y'all. This time, I'm gonna take my bib off.
Girl, shit. You need that bib on. Why you taking it off?
I'm gonna put it back on when I get ready to start back eating, but I'm taking my picture on here and I'm...
Girl, please, Shell. You always trying.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, I'll be trying to get these picture things. This thing right here. When I take my picture with you guys, I do it for 10 seconds. But on this thing right here, they give you as soon as you hit that button, it's 3 seconds.
Girl, you need to stop.
No, I don't want that one either. I'm gonna try it one more time, y'all.
You need to stop.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna go with that one. I don't care. We're gonna go with that one.
Why you keep taking them glasses off?
I can take my glasses off if I want to. I be seeing you be taking your glasses off. What's up with that? What's up with that?
What?
You be taking your glasses off.
No, I'm taking my cup. You see, though.
You be taking off, I be taking my pictures. So you can go there.
Girl, don't even try.
Alright. I hate when these things keep popping up here. I'm trying to click the... There we go.
What you trying to do anyway over there?
What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your girl,
Show
Shala.
everybody what you
PROMOSTK.
Listen up.
Eating good in the neighborhood. Y'all know we be eating good, right?
You know you about head crazy.
Okay. If you say so.
Yeah, baby, everybody know we eating good in the neighborhood. Okay?
All right, classy. Classic. Hello. Natural hair. Hello, you guys. Woohoo. How y'all doing? Have y'all had y'all lunch yet? I have not.
Yes, you have.
I have not had my lunch. So I'm getting ready to grab on something. I've already blessed my little lunch. Y'all see my little baby bib? So how y'all doing? Hey, Richard. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday. Yes. Have y'all started y'all cooking? Has anybody started their cooking yet for Thanksgiving? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Has anybody started their Thanksgiving? Hello, Indian Veg. Hello. How's everybody doing?
No talking with food in your mouth. Now, what you got to say?
Anyway.
What you got to say? Nothing, right?
You want to come say hi to everybody, Frank? Frank. Happy Sunday, you guys. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Have you started cooking yet for Thanksgiving? Because it's going to be right around the corner. I need to start cooking Tuesday. I'm eating on my fruity chicken salad. I think I showed it to y'all yesterday. Right here. Oh, right here. This is my fruity chicken salad. Hello, everybody loves Quinn. Yes, it is really good. Now, I've made one on my cooking channel, and I just use grapes and apples. This one I did yesterday, I made with a yellow apple and with a red apple. And yesterday we ate it with Killer Days bread, and today I'm eating it with just flour tortilla. It's good. You need to try it. I think if we have leftover turkey, I think I'm gonna try this with turkey instead of chicken. Hey, homeschooling bosses. happy Sunday to you too. And she made sure she did her thumbs up. Thumbs up, everybody in the live. Mm-hmm. And congratulations again, homeschooling bosses, for making your goal. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm going to complete my last tortilla shell. I just wanted to snack on me something before I went live. Ashley is leftovers homeschooling. Remember remember yesterday I had made the fruity chicken salad? So that's what I'm eating for my little lunch. This time I'm using the the flour tortilla shell right here. Right here. You can have some. You can have some too. It's good. But this is the last of it because we have totally demolished it. What you guys cook for Sunday dinner today? Anybody cook Sunday dinner or did I go out to eat? It's really good. Yeah, I gotta check out my cooking channel and check it out. It's my last bite, y'all. So how has y'all day been? I want to know. Homeschooling Bosses says, I'm going to be making chicken nachos today. I will have to check you out over there cooking for sure. Yes. Chicken nachos sounds really good too. Everybody gonna have a lot of leftovers from their from their turkey. Maybe somebody making some turkey some turkey tacos. So now I can take my big bib off. And I'm done eating my food. Yeah. So happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. I'm so glad you guys stopped in to see me. What are y'all plans for the rest of the day? What y'all plan on doing? What y'all plan on doing today? Yes. Anybody cooking? Or what are y'all doing? I want to know. Don't be shy. Let the sister girl know. Let's see. Ooh. Hello, Hot Wheels. Hello. Hello, hello. How are you on this Sunday? Homeschooling Bossa says, nothing much but cooking and getting family ready for the work week. Your house is quiet. Yes. Yes, no dogs. All of our babies. Hello, Charlene. Hello. All of our babies are still at doggy daycare. You guys remember Frank got in that car accident Friday night. So when he got in a car accident on Friday night, you know, the car is not drivable. So we've been waiting on a rental, and there is no rental. Everybody's getting the rentals for the holidays. So the lady called me tonight and said that she had she didn't call me because I had to keep calling her. I had to call to Enterprise Rental and Rental Center. What is it? Enterprise Car Rental. Yeah, Enterprise Car Rental. Gosh. And they had a Jeep. I'm like, I don't want no Jeep. I had an SUV. I want an SUV. And then I called back a little later, which was like about 15 minutes ago, and they said they had a van, a minivan. I'm like, man, I need some transportation. So I was going to have them come pick me up and take me out there, but it's like, it was almost 4 o'clock. I'm like, no, just wait and do it tomorrow, because it ain't like I'm going anywhere today anyway, you know? And plus, I knew I was going to get on here with you guys. Hey, Hot Wheel says, okay, thanks. How are you guys? Everybody say hello. Homeschooling Bossa says, oh, wow. Doggy daycare, I know you missed them and they missed you. I know. We were laying in the bed this morning and Frank was like, I wonder, or maybe it was last night, he was like, I wonder what the dogs be thinking when we take them to doggy daycare and we're not there. I said, they're probably sad. Could they miss us? Yeah. But we were gonna, if we would have got the rental, we were gonna pick them up today. But our doggy daycare lady says, don't even worry about it. She says, they're good. She said, I'm not even gonna charge you for this day. Just pick them up tomorrow. And that's how good she is. That's Shampoodles here in Dothan, Alabama. Out there by the airport. So if anybody got pets and needs to go in doggy daycare or be groomed or anything, I mean, she is wonderful. Her name is Tyler. She is just wonderful. She's wonderful with our babies because, you know, you don't want just anybody keeping your babies. You want to make sure they're in a good place of somebody that loves fur babies. And she does. She loves our fur babies. So we'll get them all back. The house is very quiet. Yes. Hello, Maria. Hello. How are you? Everybody, this Sunday. Oh, wow. This whole week is going by so fast, and it just became Sunday. Oh. Yeah, so we just been stranded here at the house. Stranded at the house. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get out and get some stuff done. You know, because, you know, I gotta cook. I got stuff I gotta get. I got my little recipe list right here, y'all. I got my little recipe list right here. Right here, of stuff that I gotta get to cook. You know, I got my turkey wings. I got that. And then some of the basic stuff I already have at home, like the eggs, the flour, the cornmeal, and all that kind of stuff. But all the other stuff, like my pans that I got to put them in, I need. So are y'all ready for Thanksgiving? That's the question today. Are y'all ready for Thanksgiving? Maria said, I'm going to buy my family a chocolate pecan pie from the bakery called Quack's Bakery. The crust on that chocolate pecan pie is flaky, and I mean in a good way. Okay. That sounds good. The vegan homeschooler says, hey y'all. Hey vegan homeschooler. Homeschooling Boston says, at Hot Wheels, I just tried to show love on video, but it's turned off. Oh. What happened? What happened, homeschooling bosses? What you mean it's turned off? Says she tried to show love on video, but it's turned off. What does that mean? Welcome, 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 everybody. PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. 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 Woohoo! Ready for Thanksgiving? Who's ready for Thanksgiving? Ready for Thanksgiving? Who's ready for Thanksgiving? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready for Thanksgiving? Yes. Happy Sunday. Wow, it is Sunday already. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to come by and say hi and spend time with me. It is much appreciated. It's much appreciated. You guys staying home or y'all going out of town? Are you staying home or are you going out of town? And if you're going out of town, what are you taking? If you're eating at home, what are you making? That rhymes. Yeah, that rhymes. That rhymes. Oh, what's this? It says I need 117 more steps this hour. Well, they tell me I need it in 10 minutes. Okay. I'll just swing my legs and make my time. How about that? Everybody, be sure to share the live stream out. Let everybody know what's going on in this house. Let me see if I can, I don't know, can I share it out through here? Let's see. Oh, wow, let's see. No, I'm not going to do that over there. I'm not going to do that. But anyway. All right, you guys. Y'all have a good day. Yes, I hope y'all been. Hey, Big Brown, what's up? Happy Sunday, Big Bro. Yeah.